If you have a customer that you used oil-based enamel on and one of her cupboard doors are gone yellow, can you just take the door off rather than repainting it? Can you just take the door off, put it out in the sun, and will it change back to the original white? Very interesting. This is the old oil-based enamel. This is actually one of my doors of my house that I pulled out when I put sliding doors in and mirrors. So as you can see there, we have a distinct yellowing happening here. So this is inside a slider. Okay, so imagine a sliding door inside the house. This one here is getting sunlight. This one isn't getting any sunlight, so that's why we have the yellowing. We have a direct line down here. Around about 12 or 13 years old, this door. So you can see there, it's absolutely beautiful. There's no problems with the door at all, no problems with the paint. It is shiny as, it is very, very nice paint. That's your yellowing. That's non-yellowing. So I originally painted the doors in a, can't think of the name of the color, but it is a very, very nice white with a very slight shade of pink to it, which I used to really, really love to do my doors in. Now, I'm going to leave this out in the sun, and then we're going to come back and see whether this turns white again. So that's my main aim of this video. So I just want to find out whether we can actually fix the problem by leaving it out in the sun. If you have a customer that you used oil-based enamel on and one of her cupboard doors have gone yellow, can you just take the door off rather than repainting it, put it out in the sun, and will it change back to the original white? So that's the question that we're going to answer. 24 hours later, this door has been out in the sun. As you can see, it has gone back to its perfect color, perfect white. The line is gone. Look at that. So there you go. I always knew that that's sort of how you fixed it, but I've never actually done a test to see if it was correct, and it is absolutely correct. If your customer says that their door has gone yellow and they want you to repaint it, take the door, put it out in the sun for the day, and it'll be just like you've repainted it for them. I don't know how long it takes for it to go yellow again. It's actually quite amazing. It's just no sign of the yellowing at all. There's not that much of it around. Everybody's painting over the top of it. But yeah, it's definitely went back white. There's no doubt about it. That yellow was just so dominant there that you could see it. Another successful experiment from the painter.